Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have legal authority to index these locks. This protects you and others. Once confirmed, photograph each door and its lock, note exact location, brand label, and any visible model numbers. Make a single master spreadsheet or notebook and enter one lock per row with date and property reference. Do this now so later steps stay organized. Having clean photos and a consistent naming scheme saves time when you consult professionals or manufacturers. Once basic entries are done, collect non-sensitive technical details you can legally observe. Make, model, serial numbers, keyway silhouette if stamped, handing, and mounting orientation. Measure door thickness and note strike plate dimensions for reference. Attach labeled photos of the lock face, interior mechanism, if you legally disassemble with permission, and any keys kept by the owner. Make sure everything is dated and referenced to the room or unit. This creates a useful, professional index for repair or replacement. Finish by consolidating the entries into a secure digital file and back up one encrypted copy. Retain a locked physical binder for emergencies. Share the index only with authorized staff or a certified locksmith when you need service or replacement. Never post detailed lock specs publicly. If you find missing or unclear information, make sure to contact the manufacturer or hire a licensed locksmith rather than attempting invasive work yourself. Troubleshooting tip: if documentation is incomplete, pause and get professional verification to avoid damage or legal issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.